Ken Smith.
And I'm Michelle McConaughey. It's a WRAL Weather Alert day, so we have a lot of news to get to, but we have to start with weather. Meteorologist Chris Michaels has a live look over RDU right now. The rain is on the way, Chris.
Yeah, it's going to be quite a few hours before we start to see that. It will be scattered as well, but right now it's just kind of that high cloud cover that we've seen over the past few days. Current temperature is 70 degrees. The dew point's at 59 this time of year. That's slightly on the humid side. We do still have some time to warm up. Temperatures in Durham 82, Fayetteville 86 this afternoon, Roxborough at about 79 degrees. Let's go ahead and track those storms. So we mentioned the level 1 risk out of 5, an indication that severe weather would be isolated. So we don't expect an outbreak or anything like that. Any storm that does become strong would produce some nasty wind, maybe some hail, especially between about 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. And you see that isolated risk that we've highlighted for those late afternoon and evening hours as storms move slowly from northwest to southeast. After today, our front just kind of hangs out with us, gives us the daily chance for some scattered storms, almost a summer-like pattern. I'll show you what it'll take to break through that, though, coming up in just a bit.
Bird and it died.
Ken, I'm going to get you a plan for your desk. You'll keep track of it. All right, I'm here with meteorologist Chris Michaels. We're talking about the level 1 risk we have on this WRAL Weather Alert Day.
And hopefully the plants get a little bit of water.
Yes,
you know, that's some of the benefit to this. But yeah, this level 1 risk, here's what that means. It means that any kind of severe weather, it would be isolated, right? It's not going to be widespread or anything like that. It would also be limited in how long it lasts or how strong it gets late this afternoon into the evening. And the reason why we see at least that potential is this front that we're tracking, and it teams up with the warmth and the little bit of humidity that we've got going on. So here we are, nothing going on right now. We'll fast forward toward 1 p.m. and notice that the storminess kind of converges along the front. So 1 p.m. even still, we're fine. After 2 or 3 p.m., we'll start to see some showers and storms. Keep that in mind if you're going to Dix Park for the Earth Day celebration, if you're tailgating for the Canes game 2. After that point, we'll continue to see scattered storms that move from northwest to southeast. After 8 or 9 p.m., these are going to be east of I-95. This front then hangs around with us for the next few days, and it remains the catalyst for showers and storms that by tomorrow will continue to be, again, very hit or miss, but they'll mostly be south of US 64, south of I-40, and really into South Carolina as we go late tomorrow into the evening. So all part of our next weather maker. This front's going to be hanging out with us for the next few days, providing that daily chance for scattered showers and storms each afternoon and evening. By Saturday, however, I do expect more in the way of showers and storms. Between now and Saturday, about a ½ inch to an inch of rain, isolated higher totals will be possible. Live look outside of Fenton and Cary. There's plenty of sunshine with high-level clouds. Current temperature about 70 degrees. Hour by hour, notice the temperatures rising into the low to mid 80s prior to the arrival of some of these showers and storms. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, highs upper 70s, lower 80s. Slightly warmer Saturday. A legit storm system comes in out of the west, increases the coverage of showers and storms. But beyond that, humidity levels, temperatures dropping a little bit. Will be in the 50s for lows and 70s for highs Sunday and Monday. So here are the 3 big reasons why we do care about a warming spring. I think the first of which you can obviously tell would be a longer lasting allergy season. Warmer air at times can fuel more wildfires, and we've seen that play out over the course of the spring, especially in the western part of the state. But warmer air implies more water vapor, which at times can fuel stronger thunderstorms and even the chance for some flooding. Now, the thing about spring is it is not the quickest warming season. Climate Central says that winter is the quickest warming here in North Carolina, but spring and Earth Day included are warming here in the Raleigh-Durham metro, also in North Carolina and in the United States, ranging between 2 to 4 degrees warmer than it was maybe, say, 5 decades ago. In terms of this April, it has so far been the warmest on record at RDU, the 4th warmest on record in Fayetteville, and this spring as a whole since March the 1st has been one of the warmest too. Today, Earth Day at Dix Park, we're looking at temperatures in the low 80s in the afternoon, and we'll be in the 70s throughout the evening with scattered storms. We'll be looking at those chances hour by hour with Futurecast throughout the day.